In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mass email on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right people, personalize your message, and send it confidently, all within Salesforce. First, open Salesforce and head to either the Leads or Contacts tab, depending on who you want to reach. You can get there from the app launcher, the grid icon in the top left, or directly from the navigation bar if the tab is already pinned. Leads are typically prospects, while contacts are people tied to accounts, so choose the one that matches your outreach. Next, decide which list of people you're going to email. If you already have a list view created, select it from the list view drop-down at the top left of the page. If not, click the gear icon and choose New to build a fresh list view. Give it a clear name so you can reuse it later. Then add filters to narrow the group to exactly who you need. Maybe everyone in a specific region, industry, or status. The tighter the filters, the more relevant your message will be. Once your list shows the right records, select the recipients by checking the boxes next to each person's name. In Salesforce Lightning, you can include up to 200 records per send. If you don't see the checkboxes, make sure you're in a list view that supports record selection rather than a split view. After selecting your recipients, look near the top of the list for the Send List Email button. It appears once at least one record is checked. Click it to open the email composer. Now compose your message. You can start with an existing email template to save time and maintain consistency, or write a new message from scratch. Add a clear subject line. Keep your content concise and be explicit about the value you're offering. To personalize at scale, insert merge fields like first name so each recipient sees their own details in the email. This small touch often improves engagement. If you use a template, double-check that the merge fields match the fields in your leads or contacts. Before sending, use Preview to see how the email will look for different recipients and confirm that your merge fields populate correctly. Read through for typos and tone, and make sure the call to action is easy to find. When everything looks good, click Send to deliver right away, or choose to schedule the email for later if timing matters for your audience. That's it. Your mass email is on its way, and you've done it all within Salesforce using list views, smart filtering, and personalization.